Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I've decided to vlog my day. It was 8:30 a.m. and I went on a walk with my mother. It's always a good idea to go on morning walks in winters, otherwise I'm in my lazy mode. The morning view and sunlight is all that I need in winters. This cute little flower caught my eyes. Spending some time in nature, connecting with your roots is truly important. We got these beautiful flowers. I'm gonna plant them in my backyard. Then I had my breakfast. These are chicken keema momos and trust me, they tasted yum. Then in the afternoon we were invited for a family function. That's me and my brother. And it was a baby shower ceremony. Came back from the event and had been craving for a pizza since a few days, and now it was finally time to end this procrastination, so I decided to make it myself. So I went out and got all the ingredients. And here is my tawa pizza, it's fully loaded. By the way, these pieces are not chicken. Yes, you heard it right, that's soya chunks, but the taste, trust me, it was far better than any Domino's pizza. And that's it for the day. Hope you liked it and please do subscribe.